Social media return on ad spend is dropping across the board, but why? There are three main reasons. The first is it's simply becoming harder and less reliable to get your products in front of the right people due to the tighter privacy restrictions placed on social media platforms. Then secondly, even when you do get in front of the right people, consumers are just becoming less receptive to ads in general, and this is due to the massive amount of volumes people are exposed to on a daily basis. And then this brings me to my third point. It has never been more expensive to run social media ads due to the amount of advertisers actually competing for impressions on these platforms, which is going to continue to push up the price. So, social media marketing has become one, harder and less reliable to get your products in front of the right people. And then even when you do, more of those people are ignoring your ads and it's more expensive for the sake of it. So what can you do? There are two really main ways you can do to increase your marketing return on investment. And these are, you need to start investing more in your organic marketing and produce more content that people actually want to consume rather than ads that just interrupt what people are looking to consume. And the second is you should consider moving some of your budget over to influencer marketing. This is still holding a very strong return on ad spend, and it could be a good place to put that marketing dollars. But if you want to know more, please click below to see our full blog on this issue.